Attorney on fraud charges had smelly accident as she messes up herself in courthouse.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
There was a messy situation at the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court after embattled attorney Jennifer Messado defecated on herself as she made her way to the courtroom to answer fraud charges. Reports suggest that the courthouse staff, including janitors and other court officers, had to spring into action to clean up the place and maintain calm as other persons were reportedly inconvenienced. A police officer said, "Yes man, the entire courthouse knew what happened. The entire staircase was a mess from top to bottom. People had to be sidestepping and hopping over filth. It was embarrassing. The janitors had to be called in. It was the talk around here all day." When contacted, Messado's attorney, Christopher Townsend, confirmed that his client had an unfortunate moment due to an illness and ongoing court issues. Townsend said, "You have to remember in all of this that she is still a near 70-odd-year-old woman undergoing quite a bit of stress. She's not well. That was made clear at the first bail application, and her health has deteriorated as a result of this matter." In relation to her deteriorating health condition, Townsend said, "It is not something that just happened. It is something that was coming. She is ill. As you get on in age, you know, you are set back by illness and sometimes bodily functions do not work the way how they used to when you were younger. So, unfortunately, for her under the stress, things gave way. It is the truth. The entire courthouse saw it." When asked if the incident occurred before or after her matter was heard in court, the attorney said it was before, during, and after. They were kind enough to have her remain where she was and have the matter dealt with quickly so that she could go out and make her way home to clean up herself. There was some degree of compassion there, for which I must commend the learned parish judge, he said. Messado is scheduled to return to court next Tuesday, September 11. Meanwhile, approximately a dozen fraud cases against the real estate attorney are to be sent to case management hearings. That decision was made when Messado appeared in court on Thursday, September 6th, in relation to a complaint filed against her by businessman and politician Norman Horn. Messado was ordered to return to court on October 12 in relation to said matter. Her bail was extended. Among Messado's accusers are dancehall entertainer Mavado and contractor Christopher Carr. Several other criminal charges are expected to be laid on Messado. Her lawyer has said that his client will respond to the allegations at an appropriate time.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.